People are watching me. Look at all the good food.
What you just found out, the bubble is set to explode.
I'm coughing, but it's all gone. There's my top. Talking to myself in the doctor's. Just waiting. Aw, little birdie. Birdie. A cute little birdie. Now I'm in the dentist waiting for my mom. Probably be here for 2 hours. Forgot my earphones, so no music, yay! But got this nice little comfy couch. Come on, see? It's spelled out. It's pretty nice. I'm bored and tired. Oh, let's look out the window. This is a weird view, I know. It should be right here. I'm talking to myself. I don't know. Whatever. Come on, adjust. Adjust. There we go. Just a dent. Dark. Purple. Oh, I'm so bored. So yeah, you got to sometime. Yeah. Because it just gets in the way. Speaking of cupcakes, it's funny when you realize when stuff has meaning before, and then you realize it afterwards. Very odd hand dryer. Wow. Vlogging in a store. Kind of weird for me. Not. People are probably looking, but oh well. Anyways, I've never heard of donut peaches. These look so weird. Kinda cute. Like, what on earth are these? But they're donut peaches. That sounds healthy. Whee! Bird is the word. I don't know what I'm doing. A bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. I'm hyper. I'm hyper. I'm hyper. I turned on my camera and I went to take a video, and I switched it, and I took it and I accidentally took a picture, and it was like blinded me, and I didn't expect it, and I'm hyper. I'm really thirsty, and when I'm really thirsty, it makes me hyper, and I don't know why I'm hyper right now, and I'm hyper, and Bob is in the corner because Bob ate my cookie, and I didn't tell Bob he could eat my cookie, and I don't know who Bob is, so it's even worse, and I'm right here, and you're over there, and Luke was right there, he's like popping out too, and I go and I'm really talking really fast, but I don't know why. And I had like a Dr. Pepper, and I left my RC at my mom's didn't stop, and I was mad because I only had a sip of it. And I'm still talking really fast, and I had another Dr. Pepper when I went to Burger King, and I had a soda when I got home, and now I'm drinking juice, and now I don't know what I'm saying because I'm talking really fast, and I'm really hyper because I'm hyper, and I'm hyper, and you're hyper, and I got you to be hyper too, and I don't know if you can see me because my face is in the shadows, and I need a breath. But yeah, I'm really hyper, and I want to do something, and I don't know what to do, and Yeah, and I don't know when I'm blogging. When I blog in, I took a picture, and I already said that I just took a picture. And I ran out of things to say, but I don't know what to say anymore because I ran out of things to say, like I just said. And did you know Bob was in the corner because he took my cookie? And I didn't know why he's Bob, but I called him Bob anyways because he took my cookie. And Bob doesn't stand for cookie, but cookie stands for Bob. And he ate my cookie, and I didn't tell him he could eat my cookie. He just took it, and then he tried to come to the door, and he ate my cookie, and I got mad at him, so I put him in the corner. And he still ate my cookie, though, so really, I'm still to lose. And he ate my cookie, and then he left, and after he got out of the corner, and then yeah.
I don't know how the heck to open this thing now. Man, you tape the sides too. I can't even rip them. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, I got the side open here. Ooh, come back here. Gotcha. Ooh, this looks nice. What do we got here? All right, let's see what we got. No, you didn't. Oh my god, that's hilarious.